In today's video, I'll show you how to create a heat map in Power BI using the matrix visual. This technique helps visualize data density across different categories. Let's go to Power BI. First, make sure you have a dataset ready in Power BI. For this example, I'll use a simple sales dataset with fields like region, product, and sales amount. Next, click on the matrix visual from the Visualizations pane and add it to your report canvas. Now, drag your fields into the matrix. Drag region to the rows area, product to the columns area, and sales amount to the values area. This gives us a standard matrix, but let's turn it into a heat map. Click the drop-down arrow next to sales amount under values and choose conditional formatting background color. In the pop-up, choose color scale, then pick a color gradient, for example, light yellow to dark red, where dark red represents higher values. Click OK, and now you've got your heat map. The cells change color based on their sales value, making it super easy to spot trends or outliers. And that's it. You just created a fully functional heat map in Power BI using the matrix visual. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.